Hello, I welcome you once again to our Google Classroom video series. The Google Classroom video series is a 20-pack videos on Google Classroom meant to guide teachers so that students in schools that are actually interested to run e-learning with Google tools. There are a lot of tools out there on the net you can use as far as e-learning is concerned. But I think Google has been able to do something so wonderful with some of these tools, especially with the Google Classroom. This training is powered by the Teacher Teach Tech. We are a platform where we train teachers. Our target is to what we call technologizing Africa, bringing technology into the educational system in African schools, which we think, and that's true, is the norm of the 21st century. So in this video we'll have 20 of them. So if you are having this for the just first time, do your best to get the rest of the other 19 videos. I remind you, your tutor in this video series, Chima Ezo. You can get us through our primary contacts, the WhatsApp, the email. How to grade and return students' work in Google Classroom. That's one beauty about Google Classroom. The children submit. If you follow our video, we already have a video where how the students, access their dashboard and also use certain questions and all that. So the thing you've given to the children, they have finished doing it. By the time they send it back to you, you're going to see it. And now let's go when we get to the practical. I see you now grade and return. The children too receive immediately. There's nothing like coming to tell you. You can be doing this at home. They are also at home, but they are seeing results in real time. So that's technology for you. So we're going to quickly move on to the practical aspect because this is a pure practical video. So let's move on now to the internet, where we see exactly how it works. Now, if you have been following this video on Google's Classroom series, you already know that for you to talk about Google Classroom, you already have a Gmail account. And so because Google Classroom must be hosted on the Gmail account, these are all Google products. They are synced, they work together. Now, you are here. This is one of our Google Classrooms. We have many of them under. You can have a lot of Google Classrooms, different classrooms under a particular Gmail. So this one is here, Teachers Tech Training. Now look at what I want to do. I give my students, I have 11 students in this class, I'm giving them a particular work to do some time ago. Now watch it. Where do I see that work? This is classwork. I click here. Click on classwork to see the works I've given to them. And I want to check how many of them did it and all that. So the works I've given to them, there are a lot of them. This one says homework. This one is a kind of a point question. I asked them a question. This one is say year-end examination, and many of them. But I want to use this year-end examination because one of them has submitted. Automatically, you don't need anybody to tell you. I click on this year-end examination and discover that out of the 11 students this we are assigned to, one has submitted. All I need to do is what? I click. I want to know who submitted. It's very easy for me to know. I don't need to be calling, asking much question. Hey, have you? No, it's real time. I can see it. There's no argument here. Now, having gone through this, I can discover that the person who submitted is this student called Chima the Educator. Look at him. He has studied. If this one submitted, all of them will line up here, turned in. But they have not submitted. Look at assigned. They received it. So they will not tell me, uncle's teacher, you know what happened? I didn't receive the assignment. No. It's written here. You received them. So your names are here. It means that you received this assignment. So what's the problem with you? That you've not done it. Now I've seen the one who have turned in. I need to mark. Having turned in, for me to mark, I will need to, because this is where the guy himself answered the question. He has answered the question. So I may decide to open. I need to do that. I want to open the work to see what he has done and the score. Already that is a Google form, and when he answered that question, the answer was there, he got it. For whatever that student got as the answer, was shown to him. And so the truth is that that's why as a teacher I need to also go through and see what he scored, because the truth is that there's no way I can cheat on the young man over this. Okay, this is just a question. Okay, this is the main question I asked. That's the question itself. So okay, having gone, okay, this is an example. Whether he answered or not. If he answered, you're going to see it. I'm going to show you another example. So he has turned it in. I've just gone look at, okay, he got this, he got that, and all that. So what marks am I giving? This is over 10, a question that has over 10. If I feel that his answer is, look at it. I can write 5. I can give him 10 over 10. And the moment I do that, this is checked. If I click on it, if I leave it this way, though I've graded it, nothing happens. The student will never see it. You will see it. Nothing you will see. But having done this, like click on return, immediately in that student's dashboard, you will see that teacher has marked my work. I scored 10 over 10. That's so beautiful. You understand it? So even as it is, look at these ones. If all of them are turned in, I just decide to check all at the same time. So when I put their marks and grades and click to return, it will fly to each and every one of them. Or if I decide to do it one by one, that's still okay. So in this case now, I click on return. This student, the moment he logs in, is going to get it. Student will be notified and can check any grade you've left. Shima Educator. I can now put a private, good boy, okay, excellent work from you, Shima. Kudos. That's why I decided to take the child, and I click on return. This student has got this submitted. It's not submitted. The child has, and this is a private comment. Though you are seeing it here, the rest of the class, they are not seeing it, they can't see it. It's a private comment. Only this student receives this. That student is the only one that receives this. And that settles the mark. So you see, that's exactly how to do this. These things are so beautiful, so good. And I can see it, everything has changed now. Or look at all the assigned, all the students are, look at assigned. But in all of them, 11 of them is clear here, graded. Out of the 11 assigned, 10 remain assigned. They have not even submitted. Then they've not turned it in. But one has been graded. You can see in real life who is the one graded is here. No story. There's no argument. These things are well automated. Parents is arguing, Mrs. So please come and watch. Look at it. These are automated. I'm not fabricating it. So that's exactly what it takes to, get these students' results and grade them, return to the students in Google Classroom. So what else do we need? This is a complete virtual classroom model that does much more better than what we do in our classes. And we are pursuing technology today. So we expect teachers, everybody, to key into this. Like I said, this is a 20 video pack series. So we expected to have all of them. If you really want to know, if you don't have all of them, get through our contact, get us in touch, and we're going to supply all of them for you. We stop here for a moment. Thank you for being part of this. And for those who actually have been part of this series, we appreciate you so much. And we hope that we'll have much more to do with you, not just Google Classroom, but whatever core Google tools. We are already certified, we are into it, that's our work. We keep on upgrading. We may not be the best, but we're doing our best to, use Google tools to automate our classes. Get us involved, invite us for training, order for our video training, or whatever. Google tools. Thank you for being part of us and our success story. So come your way next time. I remain your beloved one, Chima Iso of the Teacher Teach Them.